Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Absolutely monster move here. Not only was the price action very nice on the day, but then you look down here at the volume, and just biggest volume it's had in a long time by far. I mean, it essentially looks like there hasn't even been any volume, before today. So that just really goes to show, like I said, just how much volume actually did happen. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right here at 97 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 97 cents, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above there, that would definitely be the biggest sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after 97, we'd be down there at this previous pullback and consolidation point, and that sits at 75 cents. So 97 cents, 75 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. But maybe you're sitting there just saying, look, Clay, I just care about the big picture of things. I just want to gauge the overall health of the move. How am I defining the move? Well, this right here. This is what I would say is the move. So what is just a very simplistic way to measure the health of that? Well, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line's just going to keep on moving its way upwards and look something like that. So from the grand scheme of things, the very cut and dry way to look at this, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm actually going to have to change time frames here, which is a good problem to have. So we'll go back to the daily time frame, meaning each one of these represents an entire day. So as you can see, biggest volume it's had in a long time. So next key overall area of resistance, going to go ahead and we'll call that right here at about $1.25. So $1.25. Public enemy number one going into the remainder of the week. But all in all, after today's price movement, breaking levels of resistance is nice, but not really top priority. Top priority, just go through healthy consolidation, build higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So it'll be interesting to see how the rest of this week unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.